I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing power. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and confirm 12V is present once reconnected. Next, remove the seat and expose the wiring harness. Find the ignition switch 12V, constant 12V, and solid chassis ground. Use a multimeter to probe wires while someone turns the key to accessory. This tells you which wire is live only with ignition. Once done, label each wire clearly and keep connectors accessible. Make sure to wear gloves and keep metal tools from shorting terminals. You now perform the core connections. First, splice the GPS constant 12V lead into the battery-fed wire using a fused inline connector. This protects the unit and bike. Choose the fuse value recommended by the GPS manual. Then connect the GPS ACC input to the ignition switch 12V so the tracker powers down with the key. Finally, attach the GPS ground to a solid chassis ground point. Verify continuity and polarity with the multimeter before finalizing. Make sure you finish by mounting the GPS unit in a dry, ventilated spot under the seat. Position the antenna with a clear view of the sky. Behind plastic is fine metal block signal. Reconnect the battery negative, then check the GPS status via the unit's LED or the mobile app. Wait for a satellite lock, which can take several minutes. Once confirmed, seal your splices with heat shrink, secure wiring, and replace panels. If the unit never gets a lock, move the antenna or test it with a known good GPS to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.